Hi, my name is Desmond Awakchap Akanudate, and I am the programmer for Group 1.2. So, our task is to create a C++ code that will be able to calculate our electricity bill in the house, right? So, here is a preparation of our code, how each line works in this code has been commented attached to it. So right now I am coming to run the code so that we see how our C++ work, right? So we run it here. All right. So when you run it, this is how it is coming to your interface will look like. You enter customer name, but the heading will be electricity bill report because that's what you are coming to calculate for. So my name, Awokchap. Sorry for that. Right? Then you enter meter number, your previous readings, but you should know that your current reading should be more than your previous readings. If not, the code will display invalid input, your tariffs rate 0.9, fixed service charge, how much you're supposed to pay. So after running the code, this is how it is going to look like. Then it will tell you the consumption status, whether it is low consumption, high consumption, or medium consumption. So per our input data, our consumption status here is low consumption. Thank you.
My name is Godfrey Belu, and I am the pseudocode programmer here of Group 1.2. So we give me the start and then create an electricity bill object name bill. Okay, so the first prompt here from 9 to 21. Okay, here is the prompt. So this prompt calls out the user to enter his name and then it reads out the name, calls the user to enter the meter number and then it reads out the meter number and all the necessary inputs. And then the second prompt here, the second caption is here, alright. So if the bill validates readings is true, then it continues to do the calculations based on the input from the first prompt. But then if there's an error, and then the program will end. But if it continues and everything is set, and then calls the bill display, print out everything, the meter readings, the customer's name, the previous charge, and the fixed charge based on the calculation done in the um previous pseudocode. And then the end here is where the functions.
Hello, my name is Nathan Malimbarako 1.2. Our project is to develop a C++ program for an electricity bill calculator system that will take in the customer's details. And I'm in charge of the algorithm. First, we take in the customer's data. That's the meter name, the customer's name, the previous meter reading, the current reading, the fixed charge, and then the tariff. We validate the input and then we compute the inputs for the customer to check whether the consumption is low, moderate, or high, and we print out the reports for the customer. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Samuel Ford, and I was the documentation lead for electricity bill calculator system project. My role was to prepare and organize all the project documentation, including the algorithm, electricity bill calculator, the electricity bill flowchart, group contributors, the README pseudocode, and also challenges and conclusions. I made sure our document was clear, complete,